Hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss about the icons, main icons of Windows 10 like this PC, control panel, recycle bin. You can see there is no any icon like this PC. So you no need to worry. I will tell you how can you got the all icons. Very simple way. Right click, personalize, then go to themes. Here you can see, scroll down, desktop icon settings. Here we go, computer, recycle bin, control panel, user files, network, apply and click on OK. Close this dialog box. Here you can see this PC, network, recycle bin, it's all here. You can click on this PC. Here we go, all things are here, your drives, documents, pictures, so no need to worry. I hope this video will become useful. Thank you.